Hey cuties, welcome back to my channel. Let's continue with the next episode of Dwang with You. So, let's begin. Chin finally confesses something important to Dwang. He tells him that now he doesn't have any feelings left for anyone else. For him, Dwang is everything. The next morning they go on a bicycle trip together. While riding, Chin gently holds Dwang's hand, and all the students around them are completely shocked. But Dwang, he's just really happy. In the evening, they return home. Chin is busy cooking for Dwang, while Dwang is focused on his painting. Suddenly, Dwang gets a call from his friend. His friend tells him that someone uploaded their picture on the university page, and now everyone thinks they're dating. But Dwang isn't surprised at all. Instead, he smiles and says, well, obviously, one day they were going to find out. He even jokes that for so long people thought he was just Chin's friend, but now he finally won Chin's heart, and Chin belongs to him. After the call ends, Dwang just keeps smiling to himself. Chin notices this and teases him. Hey, I think I should take you to a doctor. Dwang gets confused. Why? What happened to me? Chin laughs and says, the way you're smiling, people might get scared. Dwang calls Chin closer. They sit together with coffee, and Dwang tells him everything about the post. Now everyone in the university knows they're dating. But Chin stays calm. He says, what's surprising about that? He explains that people always asked him if he was dating Dwang anyway, so now that the truth is out, he's completely fine with it. And if anyone asks him directly, he'll proudly say, yes, I'm dating Dwang. Dwang is shocked. He thought Chin might want to avoid this situation. But Chin gently says, why would I avoid it? This is our personal matter. He only cares about one thing, Dwang's comfort. Hearing this, Dwang's heart completely melts. He moves closer, kisses Chin on the neck, and softly thanks him. Next scene, university. Dwang is non-stop praising Chin in front of his friends. Jack teases him, you're completely crazy in love. He even jokes that if Chin ever leaves him, Dwang will cry a lot. That makes Dwang angry. He grabs Jack's collar, almost ready to punch him. But his friend quickly stops him. Hey, calm down, he's just joking. The whole class is watching. Dwang finally lets go and sits down, but warns him seriously. Don't say things like that again. Just then, Chin enters with some seniors. Jack quickly goes and hugs Chin. And seeing that, Dwang gets jealous instantly. He runs towards them and pulls Jack away. Jack gets scared seeing Dwang's angry face and hides behind Chin. And Chin ignores the chaos and talks to his seniors, suggesting that Dwang would be perfect as the lead in their next music video. The seniors agree. Next scene, shooting location. But Dwang is struggling with his performance. His role requires him to cry, and he just can't do it. Chin asks the seniors to give him some time. He wants to help Dwang. When they're alone, Dwang admits, I can't do this. I just can't cry. Chin encourages him, just think about something sad from your past. But Dwang shakes his head. Nothing comes to his mind. Then Chin suddenly says, okay, what if I leave you right now? Dwang immediately reacts, that's not fair. Chin smiles and gently rubs his head. I'm sorry, I was just joking. Then he softly explains, Dwang has to do this role. The original actor had an accident, and now Dwang is the perfect choice. Chin looks at him seriously and says, please, do it for me. Dwang goes quiet. And that's where part 1 ends. What do you think will happen next? Will Dwang be able to perform that emotional scene? See you soon in part 2.